What's up guys, your boy Marcon. Today we're going to be talking about how you can start earning passive income today using your cryptocurrency that you're already holding and maybe some new cryptocurrency you're going to acquire. And guys, this could be as small as $100 a month to upwards of $10,000 a month depending on your initial investment in. So it's pretty cool, a concept that I've been following. I've actually been participating for quite a while now, and finally we had the time to come across this video. Now if you're wondering how this works, we're going to go into all of that, so make sure you stay to the end where we'll cover risks, we'll cover how to get started, and all the steps in between. Okay, so make sure you stay all the way to the end, and while you're here to like this video and subscribe to the channel as it helps out tremendously. But today let's talk about how you can start earning passive income. All right, so it's going to be through this website Pancake Swap. We've talked a lot about Pancake Swap. We used Pancake Swap a lot in the past when you want to buy certain coins, like when you want to buy Safe Moon, you want to buy Baby Cake. All the coins we talked about and all the coins we buy are typically purchased through Pancake Swap, which is also on the Binance Smart Chain. So essentially, how are you going to earn this passive income? Well, we're going to enter it by pools. Guys, if you guys are familiar with crypto, there's a couple of different ways you can earn passive income. Yeah, through pools is a great way, farming, even mining, you know, and some people think mining's dated. I actually made a video about mining myself. I just had my rig set up, but essentially this is a new way for you to start earning passive income very, very passively. Okay, syrup pools just stake some tokens to earn high APRs and low risk. Okay, guys, there is some risk involved here. And obviously that's going to be with the liquidity, right? As long as the app has liquidity, we should be good to go. They have over $8 trillion locked, so staked. So that's locked, but they have a huge market cap, so it kind of shows that it's safe. We know that it's been around for a while. As of now, their smart contract has never been hacked or broken into, but again, you should always do your own research and due diligence, as I am not a financial advisor. Now this is the one that I actually use. This is a cake, and it's auto restaking, so anytime you profit, it reinvests it automatically for you, and the APY is 95%, which is absolutely insane. And just to break it down, if you have $1,000 invested in cake, you get 0.1 cake every single day. And what would that equal to? So cake being $17 right now, 17 divided by 0.1, so you'd be earning $1.70 a day for simply only having $1,000 invested. Now let's bump that up to, let's just say you had $10,000 invested. That would be $17 a day, which is insane. So again, let's just say you only want to start off with $1,000 investment. Every month you'd be roughly generating, would take 17.5 times 3.22, you'd be generating $56 a month for only having $1,000 invested in cake. Let's just say that was two, that'd be $100 a month. And then guys, upwards of, if you had like, let's just say 100 grand invested, because you're basically getting 10% return every single month. If you had 100 grand invested, guys, you'd be closing $8 to $10,000 a month, depending on the APR. Now, there's a couple of risks involved with this as well. Yes, the platform risk, but again, it's kind of established. But the next risk will be if the price of PancakeSwap starts to fluctuate, right? That's obviously very important. And we can open this on CoinMarketCap so we get a better idea of how this price action is going. So PancakeSwap, ticker symbol cake, $17.54, up 50 cents on the day. I actually made a buy, and anybody who's on my buy seller, so obviously got the signal. Every time I stake a coin, I also let it there. So if you want to know when I buy and sell cryptocurrencies, first link in the description below. But we're basically seeing, guys, on an all-time, when we are having all this smart contract run, when Binance was hitting 800 USD, we saw once cake was hitting $40, and now it's $17. With time, momentum, and again with Ethereum's contracts changing, we could see another bull run. If we can make those previous all-time highs, not only are we going to be earning this high interest rate, but we're also potentially going to double our investment. So our $1,000 investment could potentially be worth $2 grand, but also now our interest is higher. Every time we're earning interest, it's auto staking, and it's easy to unstake as well. And guys, it's literally that simple. Now this one, it doesn't show when it ends, so we're assuming this is going to be reoccurring until one day they change their mind. But essentially, let's just say you want to earn REVV, or there's actually another one I have in there. So if you want to stake cake to earn BTT, which again, it's a solid coin, a very good APR as well, 75%, and we can see that it ends in this many blocks. And if you hit this timer, we see that there's 56 days left for this, and then once the 56 days are over, you'll have to unstake it, and if you don't see it on the live, obviously you'll have to go to finish and find it there. I've seen a lot of people doing this with stable coins as well. Right now, I don't believe they have any USDT right now. Guys, stable coins are always a great option as well, because you don't have to deal with that fluctuation. So right now with the cake that we're looking at earlier, the one I'm participating in, you're getting paid out in cake. So the price of cake drops, even though APR was high, it's going to be reduced versus, and vice versa, right? If it goes up, even better. there. Some people prefer to go more safe and get a stable coin being redistributed to them, which again is another safe, great option for you to get involved in. But for me personally, I believe in Cake, and like I was showing you guys on the chart, when we look at the price action for Cake, we're seeing it only peaked not too long ago at $43 again when the whole Binance run was happening, and since then it's dropped, so that we had the potential of it reaching its old all-time highs in the past. But also remember, guys, this is still relatively new project, right? It still has new highs to meet, so this all-time high is not like it's dead and gone and there's no more growth. There could potentially be a higher growth. And then again, with the Ethereum updates going on, we're probably going to see a general new wave of investing involving us. We're generally going to see some new investors come in and some more bullish momentum in the crypto market as a whole. So something that I'm looking forward to. And yeah, guys, that's basically it for this one. It was just a little quick update on how, or a quick video on how you can start earning passive income today, anywhere from 100 to 10 grand a month. So let me know in the comment section below if this is something that you're interested in, or if you've already been staking your coins. And hey, share other platforms as well in the comment section. This is a community. I love to learn, and hopefully you guys will help out the community as well. So that's basically for this video, folks. If you enjoyed content like this, do make sure you like this video, and I'll continue to make more videos like this and similar to this in the realm of passive income, because it's so important. It's so, like, these videos don't get as much as views and love as some of the other videos, but it's very important for us to start building, especially in a time where the returns are crazy, right? In a bank, you're gonna get 4%, but now we're getting 97% returns. It's something we have to capitalize on. But remember, guys, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and your own due diligence before investing any money in cryptocurrencies or anything I talk about. And that's basically for this video, folks. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Only invest the money you're willing to lose. Peace.